Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside settings, so go straight there and open accessibility. Once inside, find accessibility shortcut or the 3-press home/side button setting. This is the control point. You need your device unlocked, and if prompted, enter the passcode so changes apply. Make sure to note which shortcut is currently active because you'll be removing it, not changing unrelated features. Starting here prevents toggling the wrong option and saves time during the deeper steps. Once the accessibility shortcut screen is open, tap the listed feature to toggle it off. Depending on your OS, you might see VoiceOver, Magnifier, or Assistive Touch. If multiple items are selected, deselect each one you want removed and make sure no checkmarks remain. Once done, press back to confirm the setting persists. For side key shortcuts, adjust the triple press action to off or assign it to none so the shortcut will not re-enable accidentally. To finalize, restart your device so the system applies the removal cleanly. A reboot often clears lingering triggers. If the shortcut still appears, check any accessibility apps or automation rules that might re-enable it and disable them. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings to defaults. This removes customizations but resolves stubborn issues. If problems continue, make sure your OS is up to date. Bugs fixed in updates can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.